Connor, author of the Blokes Guide to Brilliant Cooking, coming to you from Kitchen HQ here in sunny Sydney, Australia, in the great land down under. Thanks for taking the time to have a look at this video. I hope you like it, and also thank you very much for all of those people who looked at the last video and gave likes and comments. I have incorporated some of the comments into today's video so that I can just make it better and keep making it better. So keep those comments coming. I really appreciate the feedback. I'd also like to give a big thank you to the Pacific Book Awards Association. The Pacific Book Awards Association granted the Blokes Guide to Brilliant Cooking the first place award for Best New Cookbook in 2019. So thank you very much. I really appreciate the award. I totally never expected it, but thank you. Okay everyone, let's dive into today's video. Today's video is all about the message that's right at the heart of the Blokes Guide. If you've got yourself a copy of the Blokes Guide, you'll notice something really interesting about it. It doesn't have any recipes in it. Now, I'm not against recipes. Recipes are really important. But really, if you just follow somebody else's idea of a great meal, it's not as creative as going into the kitchen and coming up with the idea yourself and creating it on the plate, on the table. But to do that, it's sometimes a bit hard and you can get a bit stuck. So have you ever wondered about the creativity process? Like, how does Michelangelo look at a lump of marble and go, figure of David? Or Leonardo da Vinci looking at the ceiling of the Sistine Chapel and go, hand of God, of course. What if there was a way of helping you tap into your creative genius so that you can come up with your own brilliant meals using your knowledge, your instincts, your imagination, and your passion, and nothing else? That'd be cool, wouldn't it? Okay. Well, that's what the Heart of the Blokes Guide message is all about. So what is the creative process? Now, a lot of people really understand it in its normal form, which is planning, preparation, productivity, and in the case of cooking, plating, and polishing and finishing to zhuzh it up and make it look kind of pretty. But if you break it down into two parts, you've got get the idea out of the ether and into your head, and then get the idea out of your head and into the world. Now, let me rewind that just so you don't miss it. Get the idea into your head and get it out of your head and into the world. That's creativity. Now, in the case of brilliant creativity like Michelangelo, Leonardo da Vinci, it's about getting a brilliant idea brilliantly into your head and then getting it out of your head and brilliantly delivering it in the world. So if you think about it and get it in and get it out, that's all there is to it. So it kind of makes sense that if you just take some time to get a really good idea formed in your head and then figure out how to get it out onto the plate in really clever ways, you're going to take things up a notch. Now, to help you get your creative juices going, the Blokes Guide teaches the principles, the processes, the planning strategies, and the psychology of creativity. And to help you get your creative processes kick-started, I like to use the Quickie Head Planner, which is on page 82. We can look at zhuzhing up your idea using the Performance on a Plate Planner, which is in the book, and then that gets your idea into your head really well formed. But then the next part of getting it out of your head and into the world, we use other planners like the Backward Thinking Planner and the Plating Planner. And that's really all there is to it. To kickstart your thinking processes, we use the first planner, which is the Quickie Head Planner, and then the Performance on a Plate Planner, and then to get the idea out of your head and into the world onto the plate in a fancy way, we use the Backward Thinking Planner. Now, once you get really, really good at this, you won't need the planners, but they're a brilliant way to get started. Hi guys, I hope you liked today's video. In the next video, we're going to use the Quickie Head Planner to show you how to get the ideas into your head before you try and get them out of your head and onto the plate. If you liked today's video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you want to receive more videos as I post them, please hit the subscribe button down below. I'm Jim O'Connor, author of the Blokes Guide to Brilliant Cooking, signing out from Kitchen HQ. Have a great day.